Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1994 Mercedes G350, which is a turbo diesel automatic transmission. And this is a very special ride because it is a Cabrio, so the roof is removable. If you click on the link below, you're going to be able to see complete underside shots, a full photo gallery, and pictures of it with the top on and top off. Today we're going to take it for a test drive and let you decide if this is what you want to put in your garage. This is a very rare piece. It was imported from Italy by our good friend Milan, and his attention to detail for all of his cars is unbelievable. So this is an impeccable piece. You guys need to put this in your collection. Let's do it now. I'm going to start off with the overall condition. I'd rate this one easily a 9.5 out of 10. I never say that, but this was restored to the T. We do have some miscellaneous restoration documents, but it was restored in Italy. Underside is like brand new, so when you look at those pictures, if you click on the link below, you're going to see how nice it is. Every single component looks good. The leather inside is perfect. It still smells new when you have the top on it. And what's cool is the top is actually very easy to remove. You just need two people. You remove a couple of bolts here and two little release levers right here, and you've got the top off. So this is like the perfect Florida cruising around the beach car, or if you live in Colorado, perfect time to be driving this right now. Wheels and tires are in excellent condition, and all the body panels are even throughout. So if you go to this side and look at the gap here and you go over there, it's completely even. They really put this thing together beautifully. When you open up the doors, you're gonna see how nice the leather is. All the door cards are in excellent condition. All of your rubber stripping is very nice as well, and all the metal is even throughout. So look at how beautiful they restored this. Interior is in great shape. You do have some special features for this ride. So you have a front locker, a rear locker, and then a center transfer case lock as well. So you can basically lock all four wheels, and this will climb over anything. It's pretty peppy, 130-ish horsepower, I think 230 foot-pounds of torque. So it's not bad for this size of vehicle. Front end is extremely clean. You have your Mercedes insignia or emblem right here. And look at how beautiful the paint is when you come close. This blue is just really has a beautiful metallic in it. And the Mercedes emblem, it's just perfect. You have your turn signals here. You have your H4 headlight bulbs, which are proper. And then look at the satin finish on this bumper. It's beautiful. Glass is in great shape. Your windshield wipers work, and all of the nuts and components throughout have been professionally restored. Let me show you the power plant. Listen to how that door closes, unreal. You do have a strut that'll assist your hood to stay up. Here's a little turbo, diesel motor. Runs excellent, recently serviced as well. And look at how all the finishes are on this motor. All the finishes are still in place. You still have all the coating on there for the weather protectant. Your hoses are still good. You have your injection pump right there. Your stop button in case it runs away. Power brakes, brand new battery. The list goes on. Let's go to the passenger side. Passenger side's extremely clean. It's the same as the driver's side. And as I said, gaps are even throughout. Hood, front fender, everything. You have your little stainless steel pieces here for in case mud gets thrown around, or if your feet get close to it, it doesn't scratch the paint. You do have these beautiful side steps. Door on this side is perfect as well. It's just beautiful. Door cards are in great shape. Will is our photographer here. He's gonna have all the photos of the documentation. So we have the books, we have all of the importation documents, and it has a Florida title now, so you guys can transfer it anywhere. Look at the center console. How beautiful is that? It's almost made to just be driven with the top down like this. You have a nice hoop here for your seat belts, and this is also I believe it's a portion of the roll bar in case it does roll over. You do have some protection here. The leather is very nice. You do have a full-size spare tire as well. You have your spare tire here. You click up on this. Nice mechanical feel. Everything's beautiful. All the finishes are nice. Nice storage box here. This is where you'd have your first aid kit normally. Carpet's very nice. Just do a big pan up there. Look at how all the finishes just work perfectly together. Let me start it. So normally when you start it in a cold situation, you have to wait for the glow plugs to start up. This is already warm. I fit in here nicely. I'm 205 pounds. There's a glow plug light right here that will turn off quickly because it's warm, and it starts up easily. Has that signature diesel sound. It's very quiet. Still retains all the factory exhaust. You have your gas tank down here, and you can see all of the restoration when it happened. They replaced every single component. We're gonna take it for a spin right now. We've got it in the correct position for the transfer case. Low would be up, and then this would be high. So S is high. We've got it in the drive position. And what we'll do is we're gonna go over here, we'll take a U-turn, we'll accelerate with it so you can see how it feels and let you decide if this is what you wanna put in your collection or if you wanna buy it and use it. But this is really, really nice. So if you guys are looking for top tier, this is it. Your lights still operate. It's beautiful. Seatbelts match. See, the seatbelts are all like the gray. It's just awesome. Shifts nicely, nice and smooth into second. Third. We'll turn around here. All right, here we go. Brakes feel good too, so if something pulls out in front of you, brakes are even. Acceleration's good. Kilometers. It's around 55 miles an hour right now. Sorry about the wind noise. Hopefully it's not too bad. Let's get past this guy. Take a right here. We're going to go over some bumps. Nice and smooth. Big dip. No issues at all. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. We appreciate you guys watching this content, and if you like it, please be sure to like and subscribe because that gives you guys more content. It allows us to buy more cars, buy better equipment, and give you guys more fun items to look at. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. Have a great day. See you later.